Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to close all tabs on Safari on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Safari web browser app, then tap on the three dots over here and tap on all tabs. Now as you can see, these are all the tabs on your Safari web browser. Now to close the tabs, just swipe the tab to the left side to close the tabs from your Safari web browser. Now this is the manual way to close all the tabs on the Safari web browser. But you also have another option. Now for the second method, just go to your home screen and open settings. Now from here, just tap on apps. Now from this app list, just open the Safari web browser. Now on this page, you will find the option of clear history and website data. Just tap on it, and from here, just make sure you enable close all tabs. Now if you select all history, you will also delete all the search history on your iPhone. But if you don't want to clear all the search history on your iPhone, just select last hour, and it will only delete your search history of the last hour. Then tap on clear history. Now once you do that, you will close all the tabs on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can close all tabs on Safari on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.